Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can record your games in low-end PC smoothly, like Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, or any other game that runs smoothly on your PC. And also, it's free for lifetime, so you do not have to worry. And I also play Grand Theft Auto San Andreas on 2 GB RAM PC and record with it. It was running smoothly. So let's start the video. Open any browser and search there. Download Ocam. Click the first one website. Scroll down and click Download. And now you can also download other tools of there, and description is written there, what that does. So we want just screen recorder, click Ocam Download. Your download has started. When it's finished, you have to open Ocam Setup. And install the Ocam by just doing Next. And the Ocam is installed so easy, right? So just open it. And now I'm telling you settings that will make your Ocam screen recorder quality more. Just go to Menu, and then click Options. So now you have this page open, and go to Record section, and select Quality Very High and FPS 30, and Keyframe Rate 10. And you can select here Constant Frame Rate if you have laggy PC, and Variable is also very good for low-end PC, but Constant lower a quality a little bit. So Constant Frame Rate, smooth the video output, and go to Hotkeys section, and just select which hotkey you want to record or pause the video and resume, and also capture the desktop or game. And now you can select whatever you want for mouse. And if you do not know how to do that, follow me. And in Save section, select where you want to save your videos. Now in Performance tab, you have to follow my all settings. Select all what I did, and click OK if you want tutorial on how to record games on Ocam in low-end PC. Tell me in the comments and follow for more videos, and like the video and subscribe the channel.